Finding the time and space to stay active in today's busy world isn't easy, but walking pad treadmills are here to change that. Compact, versatile, and designed for modern lifestyles, these treadmills make it simple to stay fit while working, relaxing, or even watching TV. In this video, we're breaking down the 10 best walking pad treadmills, each catering to different needs, so you can find the perfect one for your routine. Check the links in the description to see prices or grab the one that fits you best. Let's get moving. The Sperax Treadmill Q1 is all about convenience and ease of use. Its lightweight design and foldable frame make it perfect for small spaces, allowing you to store it under a couch or bed effortlessly. The shock-absorbing surface minimizes joint impact, making it great for everyday use, especially for those prone to knee or back issues. With its whisper-quiet motor, you can enjoy your favorite activities or take calls without any disruptions. Assembly is quick and hassle-free, meaning you can start your fitness journey right away. Whether you're looking for a starter treadmill or an addition to your home office, the Q1 is a fantastic choice. The Allure 480 liters stands out with its sleek and practical design. Its foldable frame allows you to save space, while the remote control feature makes adjusting settings seamless. The LED display keeps you updated on steps, distance, and calories burned, helping you track your progress effectively. With a robust build and ultra-quiet motor, it's perfect for both active walkers and those who prefer light jogging. It also offers excellent stability, giving you a confident stride on every step. Whether for a quick workout or a more extended session, the Allure delivers consistent performance. The walking pad Z1 combines modern technology with an ultra-compact design. It folds completely flat, making it an excellent choice for those with limited storage space. The integrated app allows you to track your fitness progress and set achievable goals, keeping you motivated. Despite its small footprint, the sturdy frame supports various workout intensities, from light walking to moderate jogging. Its intelligent automatic speed adjustment adds an extra layer of convenience. For a balance of innovation and practicality, this treadmill is hard to beat. The Abnow 3875 is a no-frills treadmill designed for those who value simplicity and effectiveness. Its wide walking surface provides ample room for users of all sizes, ensuring comfort during workouts. The intuitive control panel allows for quick and easy speed adjustments, catering to your fitness level. Built to last, this treadmill can handle daily use without compromising on performance. Its lightweight design makes it easy to reposition within your home. Whether you're exercising at home or at work, the Abnow provides a hassle-free experience. The Yagoot ZF0301 offers versatility and safety in a compact design. It switches effortlessly between walking and light jogging modes, adapting to your fitness goals. The added safety key provides peace of mind, especially for families or those new to treadmills. Its lightweight design and built-in wheels make it easy to move around and store when not in use. The treadmill's quiet operation ensures it won't disturb others in your home. Perfect for those seeking reliability and functionality, the Yagoot is a practical solution for any lifestyle. The Theron 2.5 horsepower treadmill delivers power and performance for fitness enthusiasts. Its high-powered motor ensures a smooth, consistent experience even at higher speeds, making it suitable for more intense workouts. The spacious anti-slip walking surface provides stability and confidence during use. Its durable frame is built to withstand rigorous routines, making it a great investment for long-term fitness goals. The treadmill also includes a high-contrast display, giving you clear workout metrics at a glance. If you're looking to step up your fitness game, the Theron has everything you need. The Suprun BA03-Z combines advanced features with exceptional comfort. Its shock-absorbing deck reduces impact on your joints, making it suitable for longer sessions. The detailed LED display keeps track of your workout stats, including time, speed, and calories burned. Its stylish and durable design ensures it fits seamlessly into any room while handling regular use with ease. The treadmill also includes preset workout modes, giving you variety in your exercise routine. Whether you're focused on cardio or casual walking, the Suprun adapts effortlessly to your pace. The Sperax Pro 2-in-1 folding treadmill is the ultimate multitasking machine. It functions as both a walking pad and a jogging treadmill, allowing you to customize your workouts. Its foldable design and powerful motor make it an excellent choice for small spaces and varied fitness routines. The treadmill also includes a Bluetooth-enabled speaker, letting you enjoy your favorite tunes while you exercise. Its responsive controls ensure smooth transitions between speeds. With its user-friendly features and modern design, the Sperax PRO makes staying active fun and easy. The LifePro Pacer Mini Portable Treadmill is all about portability and convenience. Despite its compact size, it offers a powerful motor and a sturdy frame, ensuring consistent performance. The minimalist design makes it ideal for small apartments, and its lightweight build allows for easy storage and transport. It also features a quick start button for seamless operation and simple controls for adjusting speed. Whether you're looking for a treadmill for quick workouts or extended use, the Pacer Mini ensures reliable performance every time. The Hartware's UT38ABIH blends efficiency and functionality in a space-saving design. Its high-quality motor ensures quiet operation, making it suitable for shared living spaces. The foldable frame and compact size allow for easy storage without sacrificing performance. Built for durability, it's a dependable choice for everyday use. The treadmill also features a simple yet effective control panel for adjusting settings. With its modern look, straightforward features, and budget-friendly price, it's a great choice for beginners or those looking to upgrade their fitness equipment. Walking pad treadmills offer a wide range of options to suit different needs and lifestyles. If you're short on space, the Walking Pad Z1 and Hartware's UT38 ABIH are ideal for compact living. For power and durability, the Theron 2.5 horsepower and Suprun BA03-Z are excellent choices for more intense workouts. Those seeking versatility will love the Spirax Pro 2-in-1 folding treadmill, which adapts effortlessly to different fitness goals. The Aclure 480 liters and LifePro Pacer Mini shine in terms of portability and ease of use. For those who want simplicity and reliability, the Abnow 3875 and Yagud ZF0301 are perfect options. Each treadmill combines thoughtful design with advanced features, ensuring a personalized and convenient fitness experience. These options cater to everyone, from beginners to seasoned fitness enthusiasts. No matter your lifestyle or space constraints, there's a treadmill on this list to keep you moving and motivated. With choices that balance functionality, durability, and style, investing in one is a step toward a healthier you. Still unsure? Let's break it down. Are you looking to save space? Choose the Walking Pad Z1 or Hartware's UT38 ABIH. Need a treadmill with more power for intense sessions? The Theron 2.5 HP or Suprun BA03-Z are excellent picks. Prefer a treadmill that offers versatility? The Spirax Pro 2-in-1 has you covered. Want something simple and reliable? The Abnow 3875 or Yagud ZF0301 are great options. Ready to make your choice? Check the links in the description to see prices or grab the one that fits you best. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more reviews. See you in the next video.